Hello, welcome to Desert Rose Carpet Cleaning. We just received an awesome customer review from a recent customer. Our team works hard to go the extra mile. That's why we're happy to share great review.
I got my carpets cleaned by them a few weeks ago and they did a great job. Amazing customer service from everyone I spoke with, and the carpets look great.
We have many more 5-star reviews just like this one. We're confident you'll love our carpet and floor cleaning service and the value and attention to detail we give. Contact us today at 501-690-3825 to schedule your cleaning appointment. And don't forget to ask about our current cleaning specials. We look forward to being of service to you. Bye for now.